How to set content restriction on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set content restriction on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile and now click settings and then click this one, family, and now click this one, parental controls, and now all you do just click here and then type pin, and now you can select anything you want, like, and then click save. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.